Welcome again, guys. In this video, we are going to talk about how to add sound effect on your videos. If you are having challenges adding sound effect to your video, this video I'm going to explain step-by-step process on how you can do this using just your mobile phone. So you just have to follow along with this video as I'm going to show you this. We are going to make use of CapCut to do this, and I will also tell you where you can download free sound effect for your video. Now let's go to our screen and see how you can do this. Step we have to follow to achieve this is to go to your Google web browser. When I get to this Google web browser, I'm going to search inside this search bar. What we are looking for here is sound effect. So I'm going to search free sound effect. There are paid one. If you want to download the paid one, you can download. So the website I make use of is this. I make use of 𝗕𝗲𝗄𝗵. I also make use of 𝗕𝗵𝘁. We also have sound effect on 𝗕𝗵𝘁 that you can use on your video. But let's talk about the 𝗕𝗲𝗄𝗵. So if I tap on the website 𝗕𝗲𝗄𝗵, is going to open up like this. If we should scroll down, you can see we have different options here: notification, ringtone, hooks. We have meme. So there's all different sound effects. See, we have pop, cinematic, intro, female, and all that. So there are different sound effects you want to that this website offers. So if you want to download any of these sound effects, you simply click on this download icon, and that sound effect is going to be what? Downloaded. Now we are done with downloading the sound effect. Let's go to CapCut and let me show you how to add this sound effect to your video. I open the CapCut app and add my video as a new project, which is the video I'm going to add the sound effect to. Now let's play and see. Welcome again, guys. So if you see the text shown on the screen, I added typewriter animation to the text. Okay, so I would like to add a typing sound effect to the text showing on the screen because of the animation which I added. There are other animation. We have pop animation to your text that you can add a pop sound to a pop sound effect. You can add a pop sound effect to the text. So before you add your sound effect, you make sure that this playhead, this is called playhead, is at the position where you want to add this sound effect. And when that is at the position where you want to add the sound effect, you simply tap on audio. So if I should tap on audio, what is going to happen here is this. We have different options down here. We have sound, brand music, copyright, and sound effects. This sound effects means sound effect. So I'm going to tap on sound effects, and from here you can use, we have several sound effects available on CapCut that you can use on your video. So let me just look for a typewriting sound effect. So this is the typing sound effect. So you tap on the plus button and it's going to be added. So what we are going to do is, you can see this text extends to this position, but the text stops writing at this particular position. So some of you will add the sound effect until the text exceed from the scene. That is not how to do it. Immediately this text stops writing, that's where you are going to cut the sound effect. So I'm going to split it, then delete the other part. So now we are going to play this and we'll see. This video is not edited, so let's play this and we'll see. Welcome again, guys. If you can see the sound effect there, if you want to increase the volume of the sound effect, simply tap on it, then tap on volume here. You can increase the volume. Welcome again. Let's play and we'll see. Welcome again, guys. So you can see now, that is how to add this sound effect to, let's say, text on your screen or transition between your videos. There are several sound effects. Now if you want to add sound effect that you downloaded from any website, this is what you are going to do. Now we are not going to tap on sound effect again. We are going to tap on sounds. So when you tap on sounds, from here you'll be able to pick sounds from your device. So to do this, you tap on this file icon, this folder icon, and when you tap on that, you can see we have files from your device. You are going to tap on device, and when you tap on device, you are going to see different sounds that you have on your device. So if you know the name of the sound effect you downloaded, you can search it in this box. So let me just add one of these sound effects. So let's say I'll add one of these. So tap on the plus button and the sound effect is going to be added. Let's play this and we'll see. Don't know. So that is how to add this sound effect. So immediately you can trim off your sound effect the same way you trim your video and your text. So this is how you add sound effect using CapCut app.